In the third quarter, you outscored the PNP 39-14 in the third. Mas nagtuloy-tuloy na rin.
Yeah, if you notice, we have a good start, and then after that, I think almost double figures sa lead namin in the first quarter. So nag-relax kami, and all of a sudden, we noticed na we're down by 10 points, and I think they realized na we have to fight back, and that's what happened after before the last 2 minutes of the second quarter. We're able to catch up and then cut the lead from 10 to 4, and that's it. And after the half, so I explained it to them what's really happening, because we allowed them to take the shots in the perimeter, especially the 3-point area. Imagine they took 42 attempts in the 3-point area and 2 from 4-point play, and that's the thing na give us some problem in the second quarter. But luckily in the third quarter they realized now we have to step up our defense and limit their production from the beyond the 3-point area, and that's what happened.
And now we're ready to everyday questions from
Congratulations. Coach, kumusta yung break nyo, especially tatlong players may nagpapaklakan sa Viva?
Yeah, we're so thankful for that break. We're able to set up a good chemistry with the team. And if you notice dito, and after nung third quarter, so second team na yung nag-sustain nun nung lead namin, and then inalaga nila, umabot ng 30. So, and that's the reason why we practice really well dito sa break namin, and then some of the players get some confidence, and they realize na during before the break na most of the time our bench player scored a lot better than the starter namin. And then the 3 players, I know na the 3 players, Junmar, CJ, and Jericho, they are in shape, and then they are focused on their game before sa Gilas, but come to the team, in the last, especially in the last 2 days. So especially CJ, I saw him taking a lot of shots in the practice, and I think that's what happened tonight. He took a lot of shots from the perimeter, and then you can see naman the difference. Talagang pumapasok.
CJ, kamusta ka? Especially busy ka ng FIBA break. And then, kasi natitik mo rin si Jericho?
Sobrang madami akong natutunan doon sa FIBA. And yun, I'm so proud of Jericho. Siyempre, kahit nakalaban namin siya, laging akong kinakantsawan sa bench. Pero yun, sobrang happy ako for him na he got the achievements dun sa Guam. And siyempre, kami pa rin yung nanalo. So, mas masaya kami. So,
CJ, parang mas naging part na ng game with perimeter shooting mo, parang consistently na pasok mo siya, even sa 4 points na gagawa mo. Is it talagang may effort to improve yung outside shooting ng score?
I think siguro habang tumatagal, yun din yung pinapractice ko, kasi they know na I'm always gonna drive. So I think it's not that consistent, pero I'm still doing my best to be consistent outside shots, sa outside shots na yun. And yun, syempre yung kumpiyansa nandun and hindi naman ako pinipigilan tumira. So
Actually, sa percentage-wise, parang mas maganda pa sa 4 points
kaya nga parang feeling ko siguro ako si Steph Curry pag tumitira. Pero yun, kumpiyansa lang ako na may shoot ko yun, and yun, pinapractice ko din talaga sa practice.
Okay. That wraps up our post-game press conference.
Thank you.
Evening, gentlemen.